today I'll be doing a first impression of L'Oreal.
Comes with a stencil which helps you to perfect the... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a first impression of L'Oreal's newest Flash Cat Eye Eyeliner. So let me just read off the card over here. It is the all-day perfect wing in a flash. It has a precise and flexible brush tip. The brush tip looks like on the thicker side, but we'll see how it goes. It is highly pigmented and has an ultra black formula, which I totally love. It is waterproof and smudge proof, which is totally useful for a weather like Singapore. It also comes with this really unique removable stencil. It has like a sort of a soft plasticky kind of texture to it. It won't hurt your eye when you put it on your face. It's pretty good because you can probably clean it with a wet tissue or keep it for another eyeliner. I'll be doing a demo using this stencil, and let's get started. So I'm just gonna put it here. Oh, that's quite nice. Yeah, that's not bad. It is really pigmented. It has an ultra black formula. Looks pretty good. Let's move on to this eye. So this is the tricky part because you need to balance it. Okay, I didn't do this that well. We just try it again. I don't think it's easy to go back. Oh, mistake! Let me just fix it using my mirror. Not easy, this part, is it? I've done it wrong. I have partially removed this side so that I can retry this over again. Hope this is good. Okay, this side, I don't know why it's not as easy. Maybe because I cannot see. Okay, but I think I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So here's a closer look of my eyeliner. This side, the left side, is perfect. Whereas on the right side, it looks too thick at the wing and it's just somehow more difficult for me to draw. So I think from far it looks pretty good. You cannot really see that this side is thicker than the other side. But so far my first impression, my first thought is that at first when I tried it on my left eye, I thought, oh cool, actually it's pretty easy to use. It looks quite nice from afar actually. But then when I went on to try this side, the right side, somehow, I don't know why, maybe it's my problem, I have difficulty drawing a perfect wing shape here. I actually had to remove and redo it. Okay, let's go through the 4 points that I have mentioned earlier. The first one is precise and flexible brush tip. Yes, I have to agree, the brush tip is not that thick, actually pretty easy to use on its own without the stencil. I actually like the brush tip. Second, it is highly pigmented ultra black formula. Yes, I have to agree, it is highly pigmented and has an ultra black formula. one swipe I can see that it's totally black. So if you are looking for a super black eyeliner, you can try this one. Whereas for the waterproof and smudge proof, I don't know about that because this is my first time trying it out. Maybe I can test it out for a few more times and I'll update on my Instagram or in the description box down below. I'm not too sure, just keep a lookout for that. As for the removable stencil, I'm not too sure about it actually. This side looks really good, but this side no, so it could be a user problem. Not that it's the product's fault, it's just me. I'm just lousy at using stencils. And the second point is I'm not really into super thick wing eyeliner at the end, even though it looks pretty good from afar. But if you look up close, I usually do not draw such a thick wing eyeliner. So I would say this is not for me on a daily basis because this is too thick. I usually draw a really thin eyeliner even though I have monolids. But if this is your thing, go for it, of course. For me, whether do I need a removable stencil when I draw my eyeliner? The answer is no, I do not need it because I think I'm pretty used to drawing it with like my hand just it and I can get it to balance. But if you are new to eyeliner, wing eyeliner, or if you have problems trying to balance out your eyeliner, you might want to try this product. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this first impression demo video. If you like more of such videos, please give this a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!